shy with me. Come and ride a high with me. Mountain tops, I know the spot to elevate your mind, baby. Ride with me to the other side with me. I'm not these other guys, baby. Open up your mind, I will open mine, baby. Look at what's inside, maybe you will find something that you never seen before in all of your life. That's the thing, everybody is unique. I wanna see what you see when you blink, what you think. Show me you, I'll show you me. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. I just wanna vibe with me. Vibe with me. Open up your mind with me. Ride with me, see the other side with me. Shine with me, you be shining bright, baby, you gon' hurt some eyes, baby. I maybe wanna look inside, baby, besides, maybe we gon' enjoy what we find, baby. When you ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, vibe with me. Open up your mind with me. Vibe with me. Time is shifting swiftly. Vibe is feeling shifty. Baby, come and get me. Maybe I'm just crazy. Maybe you can save me. Didn't know I needed saving. This vibe is amazing. All I'm saying is, don't be shy, baby. Come and ride with me, vibe with me. Open up your mind with me. Come and ride a high with me. Heaven is inside, baby. Heaven is inside, baby.
Oh my God! I got a stick! Oh, thank you, Waterfall! Wow! Just like this?
Yeah, just like that. Yeah, you just like this.
Okay.
And you
Suck?
Yeah, suck.
I see.
Just like that. A little bit hard for you. Your hand just like this, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just like that. Very hard.
Look, Mom, no hands!
Gonna go, gonna go, gonna go, gonna go. Gonna go, gonna go, gonna go. Any room, any home, any place, I can stay for a day. Making memories and finding ways to play. It's okay, see who play. Life is never boring when you live this way. Never stray away from making change. Change is the only constant in life. Well, that and me and sounding cheesy on a mic, that's alright. I feel like floating through this life of mine on a river raft, tea on ice, current moving fast. That's this point in time. Around the river bend, I know that everything will be alright. Everything will be alright, cause just a guy on the go, guy on the go, guy on the go. I'm just a guy on the go, guy on the go, guy on the go, guy on the go. I'm just a guy on the go. but respect for them. Now and then I go through different phases and don't talk to them. Just flowing with the wind. Just know that when the time is right, I'll find the time and I'll be back again.
Okay.
Just for you, metaphor, maybe a story or two. Or in the physical, I know that you like crystals too. Either way, it's all the same, and this is how we go. Everyone would go insane without some time alone. I hope you know I love our time together, that's for sure. But it's time to hit the road, 'cause just a guy on the go. Guy on the go. Guy on the go. I'm just a guy on the go. Guy on the go. Guy on the go. Guy on the go. I'm just a guy on the go.
So I left my light on and it's raining, and I guess you don't do that. But here's a dang freaking gecko in here. That's kind of cool. Been a pretty good move. Smack a Red Bull and go rip this hog around. We're going surfing today.
What's up? How you doing? Good, good. Living on the surface in the moment. Let's get deep. What you mean? Take a seat. Do you ever wonder why so many people out to change the way we think? Absolutely. About the life we're living currently. Where are you going with this? Well, I've been knowing things are getting louder. I've been flowing, growing flowers. I've been known to talk about a different way of moving mountains. What's inside and who's about it? Think you can, I'll never doubt it. If you want, I'll show you how to take a thought and play around with different ways to see outside the frame. See outside the frame. Magnify a different space. Magnify a different space. Magnify a different space. Telescope a lunar phase. Telescope a lunar phase. Waxing gibbles on the brain. Waxing gibbles on the brain. Waxing gibbles on the brain. What you know with that? What's that even mean, bro? Yeah. Shiny, 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 shiny. Very so tiny, tiny, tiny. Think about the timing of the earth and us arriving. This macro versus micro. Waco. This is Toby versus Michael. Waco. Except you're only rival. Oh, one thing to know that's vital is that nothing's really final. Bet you wondering how I know. I ain't make this up in my mind, bro. Everything inside the cycle was encrypted by disciples. You're a star, as you are. You're the hate, it's okay. You're the rain on a flame. You're the ray of sunlight on a face. Local body from a daze. Hopefully you won't be late. Hopefully I sound insane. paint, trying to paint different ways of looking at what's going on this earthly plane. This ain't really dilly pop, but it's nice, you gotta say. Enjoy the Dyllyography, it's a different kind of way. This is harmony between my heart and brain, bleeding on a beat and rooting for a change. Now how you feeling today? Beetroot.
Snake eyes. Shout out to Meryl. These things have taken me some places now. Okay.
Okay, so take a little bite from that lemon. And just
Where is my berry?
take a bite from the lemon first.
Oh.
And just confirm to me, like, what's the flavor you're getting there?
That's lime.
It's sour?
Mm-hmm.
It's very sour. Alright, now take this berry. It's got a little seed inside. So bite into it and kind of swish it around in your mouth a little bit.
Bite into it and then swishing around?
Yeah, you don't need to swallow it. Just kind
Am I
of
gonna eat the seed?
you don't have to swallow anything. Just kind of bite into the fruit and move it around your mouth for about like 10-15 seconds. And if you want after, you can spit it out.
What if I want to swallow it?
What do you want to
Can I eat it?
That's never been done before.
What?
I
I'm
don't know
not
what
supposed to eat it?
happens. You can spit out the seed if you want, or swallow it.
Then what?
So you moved it around your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
You've bitten into it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Have you
Okay.
swallowed it?
I'm about to.
You can
It's
spit
never
it
been
out.
done. We
or
don't know
put
what's
it on
going to
there.
happen here.
Okay,
Okay.
so you moved it around your mouth, and then you didn't really bite into your lemon, so you can use the same lemon.
I swallowed it.
Oh my god.
We'll see.
Let's hope for the best. You're still
Let's see
alive
what
tomorrow.
happens. Now
See
try
what you
biting
stuck.
into the lemon again.
Whoa. It's like lemonade.
Yeah.
Is it
So
very
much
sweet?
sweeter. Mm. Oh, now it feels nice. Now it feels really nice, right?
Oh, what
It's mad,
the
right?
heck?
It just tricks your senses completely.
What happens if you eat a bit of cake now?
It only affects sour flavor. So like anything sour will taste sweet for the next like half an hour.
Wow.
Half an hour.
Yeah, it's mad.
Good for a half an hour.
Half an hour?
Nice.
We could have gotten like 500 lemons on
We
it.
can eat. Yeah, we can eat so many limes.
We're just like children.
It's just sweet, right?
Mm.
It's insane.
And what
I
if we
think-
ate a chili now?
We've tried the different flavors. It doesn't really change too much.
But this one's kind of spicy almost.
But a chili would taste sweet.
Spicy.
Mm.
It makes it taste delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the lime is so good.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
like an umami to it.
But that's why I wanted you to try the lemon before, because like
Mm-hmm.
I had a
Just to
piece.
compare?
It was pretty sour. But now you're just chomping away on them.
Mm.
It's amazing, right?
Yeah.
Do this
Wow.
more often with guests, yeah?
It's I mean it's a cool
Yeah.
thing.
Is it
It's-
hard to grow them?
No.
It's quite easy.
Oh!